Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix failed to enumerate objects in the container access is denied error in Windows. Right-click folder, click Properties. Find and add your username. Check both options. Add your username. Check full control. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.